Let's solve an interesting physics question in just 1 minute. If the length and time period of an oscillating pendulum have errors of 1% and 3% respectively, then the error in measurement of acceleration due to gravity is. Let's find the answer. We know the formula for the time period of a simple pendulum. T equals 2 pi square root of L upon G. From this equation, we find the value of G. G equals 4 pi square L divided by T square. Let's apply the rule of propagation. So we get del G upon G multiply 100% equals L has power 1. So 1 time del L divided by L multiply 100%. The T square. The T has a square of 2. Its power is 2. So 2 times del T divided by T multiply 100%. Given the percentage error in length is 1% that is given in the problem. Similarly, the percentage error in time period is 3%. It's also given in the problem. Percentage error in finding the value of G equals 1 time multiply 1% plus 2 times multiply 3%. So we are replacing del L by L multiply 100% by 1% and we are replacing del T divided by T multiply 100% by 3%. So let us finish the multiplication first. So first we have 1% plus 6%. So the value, the percentage error in G is 7%. Physics is fun when you understand the concept. So the right option is D.